Yo, what's up? Tuesday morning, feeling good, feeling fresh, on my way to the city. Gonna get some more doctor visits in with some IVs and going to Apple later on to get a new battery for my phone, so this video is probably gonna be short. So yeah, starting my day right. My hair looks a bit messy, but that's fine.
Oh, Hamburg, you're a beauty. Oof. I love going out here. Bam! God damn! Hamburg, you're a beauty. Fucking beautiful. I just love coming here every once in a while and enjoying the view, enjoying the busyness of the harbor. Ooh. Damn, that's the thing I'm gonna miss about Hamburg, I think. That's for sure. Just having a blue sky, some business going on. It's amazing. Seeing this beautiful hotel up there. I had a Christmas party like right up on top on this hotel. It was fucking amazing, just having a view over the harbor, which you can see now because there's a building in front. But very nice. Hamburg is lovely. One last harbor view for today. Down there's beautiful Elbphilharmonie. It's the hotel I was just talking about. I remember standing on that balcony and I don't want to talk about it. Bad memories, bad memories. Yeah, Hamburg, you're a beauty, I'm gonna miss you. Tropeninstitut, that seems about right. Let's go in there, let's see how many hours I have to wait.
Woo! 2 hours later, I'm out of the institute. I got like six needles full of vaccination, so I kind of feel a bit dizzy. So I should consider just relaxing tonight and not going out for 10 or 20 Glühwein. So yeah, feeling a bit tired now. So just gonna relax.
Look, it's Crazy Birdman! Holy shit! Look at beautiful Hamburg, look at this. Time to drop off my phone at the Apple store over there. So yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody. Oh, the bird stopped. What the fuck? Yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe down below, and I'll talk to you guys probably tomorrow, depending on if my camera shows up on time or not. But yeah, see ya. Bye bye.